All right, once we get our filled panels in, we can come back and measure our valley. We're going to want to measure from a profile, not the edge, but a profile. And each valley measurement will have two measurements. You can do open or closed valley. We're going to show an open here. We're going to measure right to that crease and that bend. So we'll measure our bottom, measure our top, then we'll go ahead and write those down on our list. And then we'll continue measuring those as we go up the roof, writing them down in order to be cut and bent. We get our measurements for our valley off the roof. We'll go ahead and bring it down and start cutting and bending. Remember, we're going to measure from the profile, not the edge, and we want to mark at the bends. So we'll look at our measurements. Go ahead and come down. Mark either side. And we can go ahead and do our cut line and our bend line. Take it to the cutter. And then we'll take it to the bender. See, we'll fold that down roughly 1.5 inches, and then once we get all of our panels done on our list, we'll hand that pile up and we'll be in order to install on the roof. Alright, once we're ready to get our valleys in, we'll get our pile from down on the ground after they're cut and bent. They'll be in order from Rich to E. And we can go ahead and start putting these in. Tack in that first one. And then we can just start taking off our pile and working our way down. Then we can start fastening. And just make sure we keep our fasteners out of the valley pan.